Today we are going to see how to convert a SP3 project into an APK file. So now let's get started. Open a new tab and type sheetest.github.io/htmlifier. Now copy the project ID and now erase the default ID and paste it here. Scroll down and click on HTMLify. It will be automatically downloaded. Now open the tab again and type developer.android.com/studio. You can click here, take the agreement and click on download Android Studio for Windows. Now I have downloaded and opened the Android Studio. Since I have done many projects in Android Studio, it shows me my previous project. If you are new to Android Studio, it will show you a window that is something like this. Now click on empty activity and click on next and give the name of your application and click on finish. Now let's see the codes. Delete the text view in component tree and go to widgets and drag web view into the component tree. Now click on code. Now type Android:ID equal to double quotes at plus ID /web view. Now click on the next tab, that is main activity.java. Here type import android.webkit.webview semicolon. Here you need to paste the chunk of codes that is given in the description below. Now right click on app and in the new go down to folder and in folder click on assets folder and click on finish. Now right click on the assets folder and click on show in Explorer. Now click on assets. Here you need to copy the HTML that you have downloaded and paste it here. And rename it into index. Now click on build and in build bundles and APKs click on build APK. Now click on locate APK. See, this is the APK. You can transfer it to your mobile and play it. This is the end of our Scratch projects.